everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a BitMoji classroom. The first thing you can do is come to the waffle on the top right corner, click it and select slides from your menu option right here, or you can just go here and write down slides.new and hit enter. It will take you to a new slides page. Once you are here, you're going to basically give it a title. I'm going to call it BitMoji Classroom. Once you do that, basically, you're just going to come here and clear up your board or your slide. And I'm just going to delete it. And I just selected it and deleted from using my delete button on my keyboard. So now that it's clear and we have this space here, I'm going to close this sidebar as well. And basically, we're going to change the background. So we're going to click on background. We're going to choose image. And we're going to go to Google image search. And I'm going to look for something, but right before we type anything, we have to write the word transparent in front of it because you don't want something that's too dark that will camouflage your writing and things like that. So I'm going to select transparent wood floor. So you see that I get a ton of options here, and I'm going to find something that I like and try to start off with that. Okay, let's see here. I like this one, so I'm gonna try to see if I can utilize it. Let me select that, insert it, and click done. As you can see, now my background has been changed. So I like this picture because it has this mirror thing here, but I thought I could use it as a whiteboard for my Bitmoji classroom. So that's why I selected it. So now I'm going to insert an image from this menu bar here or by clicking on this menu bar here, insert image. And I'm going to search the web for my image. So I'm going to write down, let's say I want to add an easel board on my page. So I have all these options here. I think I like something already, so I might not scroll down that far. And let me see. So this one might be too big. I'm going to go basically with this one. And insert. As you can see, now I have my easel here ready to be used. You can manipulate it, move it however you like, and make it suitable for your needs. So I'm going to leave it right here. I think I'm going to add a desk. So I'm going to go to insert image again. Search from the web. And I'm going to select, oh, that just closed everything out. I'm going to select desk. Oh, I keep making a mistake. One moment. Search the web. And I'm going to, instead of hitting backspace, I kept Xing out thinking that would erase everything. So basically, I'm going to select desk. Let's see what comes up if I just write desk. I already see something that I like. I'm going to insert this first image here. And it might not fit my needs, but I'm going to try to see if I can move it around and maybe see if it belongs here nicely. So it does come off the page a little bit, but it's not something that looks really bad or anything like that. So I think it's doable. I think I'm going to keep it. Still, you can see the whiteboard and everything else. And now we're ready to create a Bitmoji image of a teacher. So I'm going to go to insert and I'm going to go to image, search from the web, and I'm going to write down, again, I did the same thing. Sorry about that. So and insert and image. Okay, so I'm just selecting from this menu now. My computer is not cooperating with me, or maybe it's just me. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to select, let's say, teacher, cartoon, image. Let's see what comes up with that if I like something, or I might have to do another search. I like what I'm seeing. I think I'm going to go with this one. And I'm going to hit insert. And I'm just going to move her over to the easel. And I think it looks like it belongs. It fits. So here you have it. Here's your Bitmoji classroom. Are we finished? No, we're not quite finished, because if you share your slides and your presentations with everyone, let's say your audience, whoever you present it to, can manipulate it, delete it, add on to it, and it might not work out for you at your to your best interest. So the best thing to do would be to lock it in place. So to lock it, you would go to File, you would then go to Download, and you would go to PNG image. Once you do that, you can see that it is right here at the bottom of the screen, and we're going to now come back here and delete everything. And I'm going to reset my background. And to reset the background, all I did was I went to the background icon here, clicked on it. It gave me this menu option here, and it had a reset button here that was activated. And I clicked on it, and so it was reset. So now it's deactivated. I'm just going to hit done, and I am done. So now all I'm going to do is right click on my computer or my laptop, and I'm going to go to the change background option. Once I do that, I'm going to go to choose image, and I'm going to select from this menu bar here, and I'm going to select upload. All I have to do now is drop and drag my Bitmoji that was uploaded before, and I'm going to select done. I'm now finished. This is locked in place. So now if I want to add a message here, I can go to the text box option, and all I have to do is write a message. And maybe this is the message that I want people to change. So I'm gonna say, hi, how are you? Maybe someone else can add an answer to it. So what I can do is I can change the color to make it visible, because right now nobody can see it. And we're going to select white, because that's the color that goes on a whiteboard. If you want to make it bigger, you can do that. If you want to make it a little bit smaller, you can do that. Set it to your preference. And basically, if you want to set this in place again, you would have to obviously do the whole download process all over again. But if you want people to play around with this message and manipulate it, then you can just leave it alone and share the slide, which is right here on this yellow icon at the top right corner. And basically, you can give your audience editing rights. And there you have it. It's that simple to have your own Bitmoji classroom. I hope this helps. Thank you so much. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.